Hi and welcome. Today we'll be covering the 2011 Math Counts State Sprint question number 11. Alright, so pause the video here and take a moment to read the question. Alright, so what we want to do is translate all of this information to equations so to make it more digestible and so that we can better understand where we want to get to with the answer. So let's take a look here. 5 more plus 3 times the length, and let's call the length x. I don't use L because that can occasionally confuse with the 1. So I'm using 5 plus 3 times x. It says is less than or equal to 44 centimeters and is greater than or equal to 20 centimeters. The width of the same rectangle is 10 centimeters. So we want to find the positive difference between the maximum possible area of the rectangle and a minimum possible area of the rectangle. Alright, so if we find the difference between the maximum possible value of the length and the minimum possible value of the length, we should be able to just multiply that by the width in order to get the difference between the maximum and minimum possible areas. So let's firstly break down this equation. What we can do is subtract 5 from all three parts of it. So we get 15 is less than or equal to 3x, which is less than or equal to 39. Now we can divide all of these by 3. So we get 5 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 13. So the minimum for x is 5, and the maximum for this length is 13. So again, we can just perform this. So 13 minus 5 times 10, which equals to 8 times 10, which equals to 80 centimeters squared. So this is going to be the difference between the maximum and minimum possible areas of the rectangle, and it should be our answer. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.